Alright, people, wagwan. Bless upon yourself. Alright, so we see where the autopsy of that US student that mysteriously died on October 16 last month, that is, and the autopsy confirmed that she died from strangulation. Her name is Victoria Brown Hanley, and reports coming out of UWI at the time, because of course she was a student who boarded at the institution, was that she unalived herself. But as you can see, the autopsy proved otherwise, and they are now awaiting the toxicology report, which will give further information. Now, according to this autopsy, it then means that whatever the roommate was saying, because at first we definitely never did I believe nothing that the roommate was saying, that she was in the room and she left at 1 and she came back 6 a.m. and she saw a scarf around her and she took it off and then called campus security. That wasn't adding up to me. That girl did something to her. It's either she herself did the hack, or she carried someone in the room and did the hack. But that girl need to go in. They need to arrest that girl, because she is definitely behind this. This is not random, and we are happy that the autopsy proved that this girl didn't unalive herself, because she wouldn't have any reason to unalive herself. And this is just sad, man. This is just sad. No, as parents, sending your school, sending your children to board, you have to know, think twice, because you don't know these students or these people that your child or your children is going to go amongst. Because what could have led to that girl committing this heinous act? What could be the cause of it? And I can't tell you. And I don't think there's nothing that could justify this. But I hope that the relevant authorities will bring this person in and get to the nitty-gritty of what really happened. Rest in peace, Victoria. You never should go this way. It was not your time, but someone dear cut your life short. R.I.P. and condolences again to your family and friends. Just sad.